Airstream Flying Cloud Trailer Details. The Airstream Flying Cloud trailer is one of the most iconic and versatile travel trailers on the market, known for its sleek aluminum body and timeless design. It combines luxury functionality and durability. It comes in a variety of floor plans ranging from 23 to 30 feet, making it suitable for couples, small families, or solo travelers seeking premium comfort on the road. It's built with precision using aircraft-grade aluminum and riveted construction, making it both strong and lightweight. With a starting weight around 5,000 pounds, it's towable by many mid-size SUVs and trucks. Exterior part. The exterior of the Airstream Flying Cloud is instantly recognizable with its polished aluminum shell and aerodynamic shape designed to reduce wind resistance and improve towing stability. The panoramic front windows are tinted and protected with rock guards, giving it a modern yet rugged look. It features an electric hitch jack, stabilizer jacks, power awning, and solar pre-wire, which make setup and camping easier and more efficient. The LED lighting outside adds to the contemporary style and provides visibility at night. The door is solid with a built-in screen for airflow and insect protection, and the storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the body for a sleek finish. Interior part. Step inside the Flying Cloud and you're greeted by a bright, spacious, and modern interior. The panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and offer stunning views from nearly every angle. The decor is warm and inviting with choices of wood finishes, soft neutral tones, and stainless steel accents. The galley kitchen features a stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops, a microwave, 3-burner stove, and a gas oven. Alongside it is a full-size refrigerator and plenty of cabinetry for storage. The lounge area converts into additional sleeping space and comes with ultra-soft cushions and a dedicated dining table. The bedroom offers a queen or twin bed configuration with high-quality memory foam mattresses, USB charging ports, and ample wardrobe space. The bathroom is split with a shower on one side and a toilet with a sink on the other, maximizing interior functionality. Comfort level. Comfort is where the Flying Cloud shines. It's designed to be lived in, whether for weekend getaways or extended trips. The insulation, dual-pane windows, and quiet stream climate control system with both heating and air conditioning keep the trailer cozy in all weather conditions. The seating is plush and ergonomically designed, and the layout offers open space for movement and relaxation. The blinds offer privacy, and the LED lighting is soft and adjustable, making it easy to set the right mood. The sound system is Bluetooth enabled with multiple speakers for a premium audio experience. Overall, the Flying Cloud delivers residential level comfort in a compact mobile footprint. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Flying Cloud is built to last and engineered to tow smoothly. Its low center of gravity and aerodynamic shape improve fuel efficiency and handling on the road. The torsion axle suspension ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrain, while the radial tires provide grip and stability. The trailer includes a high-capacity battery system with solar options for off-grid capability. The freshwater gray and black tanks are sized to support several days of use without hookups, making it suitable for boondocking or remote travel. The craftsmanship and quality of components reduce maintenance needs and enhance long-term reliability, making it a solid investment for travelers. Conclusion. The Airstream Flying Cloud trailer blends iconic style, modern functionality, and unmatched comfort into one premium travel experience. Its exterior is durable and eye-catching, its interior is stylish and practical, and its overall performance supports a wide range of travel lifestyles. Whether you're a couple exploring national parks, a digital nomad on the road, or a family seeking weekend adventure, the Flying Cloud is ready to deliver freedom and luxury wherever you go.